Hey guys, this is actually my first YouTube makeup tutorial video. I just wanted to kind of throw a disclaimer out there that I'm not a makeup artist but by any means. So this is going to be more of like makeup enthusiast video, so please don't judge harshly. And like I said, this is my first tutorial video, so obviously I'm a little rusty and it's gonna take me a while to get used to do makeup on camera. A few things I wanted to mention. My problem areas are obviously my under eye circles and bags, and I do have very hooded eyelids, so I just wanted to teach you guys some like little tips and tricks on how to do that smoky eye look for hooded eyelids. It took me a while to even get close to creating a smoky eye look for my eye type because I just don't have any of that lid space. So I was watching a lot of YouTube videos and I was like practicing and practicing, and I finally got close to it. It's obviously still not perfect, but it is what it is. You just kind of have to work with what you have. So let me just do a close-up. I hope you guys enjoy this. Thank you so much for sticking around and just basically commenting and liking my videos. I really do appreciate it as usual. I'm going to start by prepping my face by this Shea Moisture face lotion. I really like this. Smells very good. It's like coconut. My under eye area and just around my eyes, I'm using this Beady Eye Gel. I got it on Amazon for $20, so it should be depuffing your eye area. Then I have this Bye Bye foundation by It Cosmetics. I also really like it. Pretty lightweight. As always, I'm using my damp beauty blender. This is my favorite concealer right now, Tarte Shape Tape. As you guys can see, I have pretty bad dark under eye circles and bags. It's hereditary. There's nothing I can do about it. So I just have to try really hard to conceal it. What I'm doing right now, just adding a little bit more of that concealer, light concealer, in that crease where the bag starts to lighten the area up. I'm using Thank Me Later by Elizabeth Mott. This is an eye primer, so my eyeshadow stick a little better. Again, I have hooded eyelids, so it's very important for you guys that have hooded eyelids to use an eye primer. This is Airspur translucent powder. That's what I'm going to be using to set my concealer and everything else. You can find it for about $7 at Walgreens or on Amazon. I also like to use powder just whenever I have lines, wrinkles, to make sure that my product doesn't move or settle in my creases. Then I'm using this Essence eyebrow gel. It's a very affordable company. I do like this product. This color might be a little too dark for me, but my roots are growing, so I can get away with it. This is my favorite palette ever. This is Lorac Pro. I'm using this nice fluffy big eyeshadow brush. This is from Coastal Scents, and going for a shadow called Cream in this palette. I generally just put it all over my lid. It's a nice matte color. It just kind of neutralizes the tone. This is an angled brush from e.l.f. and I'm going into that white color. It's literally called white, and I'm putting it in the inner corner of my eye to lighten it up, and then I'm also going to go ahead and put it under my eyebrows just to kind of highlight the area a little bit. If you have hooded eyelids, you should not be using any of the shimmer shades on top, kind of where your hood starts, because it's going to draw the attention to the hood. Next, I'm using my Luxie blending brush and going in with a color called Taupe. It's a light brown color. I'm going into my crease with that and bringing it higher up, just because when I open my eyes, you guys are going to see that if I only do the crease with the darker color, then the smoky eye look is not going to be visible at all. So you have to bring it up a lot higher. And I'm using this color called Mott, just going over the top of the brown color that I just did to give it some dimension. Again, I'm bringing it even higher up above my crease. Next, I'm using this little shader brush by Crown, going into that medium brown shade called Sable, and darkening the crease a little bit more. And bringing it just slightly higher above my crease to make sure that when I open my eyes and look straight ahead, it's going to be visible. This is just a clean blending brush, and this is one of my favorite ones. It's by Sigma. I'm just kind of blending all the colors out. This is another Sigma brush. It's just an angled brush. I'm going in to that nice shimmer color called Nude. And I'm putting it just in the center and in the corner of my eyelid. I will not put it on top where my crease is, only because it's going to bring that hood out some more when the light falls on that shimmer color. This is just an angled eyeliner brush, and I'm going in into that dark brown shade and just lining my eye. Just dusting off whatever powder is left from before. I'm using my Julep gel eyeliner in the color Smoky Taupe Shimmer to line my lower lash line. This is NYC bronzer. I love it. It's nice and matte. I just use it to contour my face. Using Elf Kabuki brush to go onto my neck because my foundation is usually a shade darker than my natural skin color. I just have very fair skin tone. This is a Real Techniques blush brush, and I'm using my Lorac Pro blush in Baked Heart. Just going onto the apples of my cheeks. Give me some color. This is a Benefit highlighter, cream highlighter, and I received it in one of the sample boxes. I really actually like it. You just have to use it with your finger because it needs to be warmed up. This is a new mascara I'm trying out by Rimmel, and it's the Shake It Fresh Clump Free Volume. Just wanted to zoom in to show you guys what it looks like up close. Just gave me a little bit of length and volume. So I'm going to go ahead and put on my fake eyelashes using this little tool that I got from AliExpress just to grab the eyelashes, and this is a Pur Mineral Pro eyelashes. This is one of my favorite lipsticks, liquid lipsticks, and it's by Too Faced. It's melted and the color is Sellout. Alright, and this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I will talk to you later. Bye.